We built the Swipe Right GPT. You enter in any city or county. It logs into Redder. It pulls a list of agents that meets our criteria. It then takes each of those people, each of those agents, and does a complete and total social media scrub. It looks at every post, hashtag, video they've ever put on social media, and then delivers to us a list of agents that meet our business criteria and have things in common with us. Because we taught the GPT that I like playing golf, I like woodworking, I like shooting pool, I'm from New York, I'm a Giants fan, big win yesterday. It's an absolute game changer when you're using it for this because you have instant connection. There's so much talk about AI getting in the way of connection. I think that's wrong. Ed and I have very successfully used AI to increase connection. When we're meeting with our clients, we're not distracted taking notes because the GPT is doing it for us, so we can be 100% present. And when we're building relationships with referral partners, we're building relationships with people we actually want to be in a relationship with.
Being a great loan officer is not just about having great products. It's also about being able to give great advice. So we created the Family Office GPT. It's a world-class financial concierge. It knows everything about mortgages, real estate, insurance, taxes, investments. And it takes the information that we give it and it elevates the advice that we can give the clients.